welcome to the channel. This is the small video about how to upload the bootloader in at SAMD21. There are many methods to upload the bootloader, but I'm using OpenOCD and ST-link V2. Let's see how to do this. This is a wiring. This is how you need to connect the ST-link debugger and the SAMD board. This interface is serial wide debugger. If you want, you can pause the video and you can note it down. Let's go to the video. Yeah, now I just plug in the ST-link debugger. I'll see this detected or not. Just open the device manager and scroll down to the lost USB devices. There you can see is it detected or not. If it is not detected, then you have to check the debugger once. Next we have to download the OpenOCD file. For that we have to go to GitHub. I'll share the link on the description. You can also go to that use that link to download the OpenOCD file. So here you can see multiple types of files they have given. So you have to download Win32x64. If the download is completed, go to that location and extract that zip file. Go inside to the folder, inside a bin folder also. Here you have to open the command prompt. This is a shortcut to open the command prompt. If you touch that location, that path will be selected. No need to erase or something, just type command. It will take you to command prompt directly with that same path. Another way is open the command prompt. Copy this folder's path. Go to command prompt and paste. In that beginning you have to type cd, change directory. Then click enter and it will take you to the bin location. I'll type the command for the OpenOCD. So here we can see in this bin folder, we can see the OpenOCD executable file. We have to write the command to execute that OpenOCD. So just write command OpenOCD -f. This is a parameter, and before that we have to know about that interface and target. What is the interface we are using is ST-link debugger. And the target is at SAMD. So inbuilt OpenOCD folder, it has some multiples of interface config files and target config files. So we have to mention that config files using -f. So now I mentioned this is a config file that we have to mention here. Just type this command and click enter. 21 should not be there in that config file. Yeah, now you can see ST-link debugger is detected. So unable to connect to the target. Actually, I didn't connect the target yet. I'll just power on the target. Yeah, now you can see that ST-link also connected. Target also identified by the OpenOCD. Give Control C to exit the command line. Now we have to download the bootloader. This is a website that I have downloaded the bootloader file. Here you can see Arduino's official forum website. So here just scroll down. Yes. Here is the link. You can download the bootloader file. So just click and download and go to that location. So my location is downloads. Just copy the path where you have downloaded that bin file and use the same command and type program and paste this path here. Make sure you have given some forward slash, then only this command will work. click rename that bin file and copy that name and paste here. .bin also you have to mention. This is a first register address where you want to flash, and verify reset exit. What is it? Unexpected command line argument. So yeah, in this command I didn't mention any attributes, so I have to mention attribute for the bootloader path. So here I have to mention space -c. Now you can see that programming started and identified that MCU, and programming finished, verify started and verified OK, resetting target. So now that file is uploaded to your MCU. Now you can check whether it is correctly uploaded or not. After you uploaded that bootloader, it will enumerate comport automatically. So just you need to connect the microcontroller's USB port to PC. Just connect like this, and you can see the COM port here like Arduino Nano 33 IoT. This is a bootloader that I have uploaded here. So just plug out and check that COM port is enumerated. So successfully we have uploaded the bootloader here. I will give you the PDF of step-by-step procedures to do this in the description. So this is my first video. So if you have any doubt or any suggestion for the next video, you can tell me in comment section, and do subscribe and share for the more videos.